Hello friends, welcome to Data Science Lovers. In this video, we will see how we can extract text from a PDF file in Python. First of all, we will import the required package or library using pip in this Jupyter notebook. So, pip install py means Python PdfReader2. This is our package that we need to install here. Now, as I have already installed this package in my Jupyter notebook, so it is showing that requirement already satisfied. Otherwise, it will show to you that the package has been successfully installed. Okay. Now, after installing this library, you have to install a class which is PdfReader. So, from this library PdfPDF2, we will import a class which is known as PdfReader. Okay, like this class is used to read and extract the text, metadata and page information from the PDF files. So we will run this. The command has been executed. Now we will check out the location of our PDF file. Suppose I have a PDF file like this. Okay, I will copy its path and save it in a variable, and I am naming the variable as PDF path only. You can give any variable name, and here I will paste it. Okay, when we will run this, it will show a Unicode error, and to remove this error you can simply put small r here. So the PDF file location is saved in this variable PDF path. Now we will initialize this class PdfReader, or you can say we will create a PdfReader object. So PdfReader, I am naming it as, okay, now PdfReader class, and here we will pass the path of our PDF file. So our PDF file is located in PDF path. Now, okay, this line creates a PdfReader object by loading the PDF file located at PDF path. Okay, and it will allow you to access its pages and content. Now we will create an empty string variable text like this. It will be used to store the extracted PDF content here. Okay, now we will use the for loop for page in PdfReader dot pages. What we will do, text plus equal to page dot extract text. Okay, now this loop will go through each page in the PDF and it will extract its text. Then it will add it to the text variable so that all the pages content is combined into one single string. Now finally we will have a look at our text that will be extracted from this PDF file. So when I will print text, it will look like this. This is our text extracted from the PDF file. Here the first line is starting from notes SQL commands data analytics. Okay, if we go to our PDF file that we have used here, this is our PDF file. The first line is notes SQL commands data analytics, and the next line will be start after this \n, and the next line is course notes data analytics, and it will end here. And as you can see here, course note data analytics. So this is how we can extract the text from a PDF file. This is our complete PDF file here, you can see. Guys, if you want to learn data analysis with Python, then you can consider our these notes. The link is given in the description of this video. Thanks friends, kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel for more data science videos.